Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to talk about variable data types. Okay, so in our last video we have talked about variables, how you can actually declare a variable, what can you use and what you can't actually use. So now in this video I'm going to show you how to declare a variable with different data types. So we have a bunch of different data types in Java, like int, we have integer, we have short, okay, we have byte, we have characters, okay, we have float, we have double, okay. So we have a bunch of different data types. So let's start with integer. So let's say I want to declare integer variables. I will say integer num. So the num will, let's say, take 10 value. So the now num value is 10. So I will say here a function that is called main function. So I will say I'm going to declare a function. So I will write the main function here. So public static void main, and here I'm going to pass them. So here will be a string, okay, string, and then arts. Here I'm going to say string. All right, so I'm going to cut it from here and I'm going to paste it here inside it. And so this is integer type variable. If I say println and here I will say out, okay, println, and here I'm going to say number. If I run the code, here you can see 10. Now let's go for other data type. So we have a float, right? So float, let's say num2, and here I'm going to say 10.2f. For the float value we have to use here f, okay. Why? Because if we use here only 10.2, then by default it will be actually double in Java, okay. So we have to use here 2f. And then now I want to actually go for print line, so I will say num2. If I run the code, here you can see 10.2. Now let's go for some other number. So let's go here and I will go for boolean value. So I will say here boolean. I will say in boolean, let's say are you a student or not. So I will say student. I will say true. So now it will actually show me true, okay. And for the double I will say double, double, and here we don't need to actually use f, okay. I can say 2.22, and here this one will be, let's say, number 3, and here will be number 3 also, number 3, right? Okay. If I run the code, run Java, and here you can see 10, 10.2 true, and 10.22. Now what about character? So for character we have to say char character, then let's say name, okay. Here I'm going to select the first character. So first character, let's say y for Yamin, okay. And here I'm going to say print out, and here I'm going to say name. So it will actually show me y, but here you can see it's a character, right? So we cannot actually use here double quotation, we have to use here single quotation, and here I'm going to say y. So now a character will actually print y. Let's go here, you can see y, right? So this is how you can actually declare variable with the value, okay. Now let's say I want to show the number with a text. So what can I do? What I have to do, I have to say here double quotation, then a plus, and inside double quotation I will say, okay, the number number, number, num, right? Your number is, I can say like this. Now here next line, so I have to give plus sign, then double quotation for the text, and here I will say float value is this one. Then go for the boolean, I will say I will say RQA student, true. Then this one value for the double, I will say double value is and then as a you'll name start with the character. So now let's run the code. Here you can see the output. The number is 10, the value is 10.2. Are you a student? True. Then double value is 10.22 and your name start with Y. All right. Okay, I have to just give here like this. Here you can see the output. So yeah, that's it. So we have a bunch of different data type. Okay, so this is how actually you can declare variable and you can print them individually, or you can print them with string also by using concatenation sign, I mean plus sign. Okay, so I hope you understand. If this video is helpful for you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.